Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make toffee candy. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, prepare a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. A reliable candy thermometer is essential for achieving the perfect toffee texture. Combine the 1 cup of unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Melt the butter over medium heat, then add the sugar. Stir this mixture constantly to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. Continue cooking until your candy thermometer registers 285 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the soft crack stage. This takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep stirring the mixture as it continues to heat up. The goal is to reach 300 degrees Fahrenheit, the hard crack stage, which gives toffee its signature snap. Once it hits 300 degrees, remove the pan from the heat immediately. Quickly stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then, pour the hot toffee onto your prepared baking sheet without delay, spreading it evenly. Let the toffee cool undisturbed on the baking sheet for at least 2 hours, or until it's completely firm. Rushing this step can result in a sticky mess. Once fully cooled, you can easily break it into delicious, bite-sized pieces using a knife or a small mallet. Store your homemade toffee in an airtight container. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.